Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Kendra and this is I Can Sew. I wanted to come out and do this video. It's not my typical sewing video, but I wanted to come out and thank all of my subscribers that I've received in the last 2 weeks. Well, I want to thank all of my subscribers that I've had for the last 2 years, but especially the ones I've received in the last 2 months. In the last few weeks, I've received 200. And I'm sure that has a lot to do with two YouTubers. One whose name is Vivmom Sews. Her name is spelled V as in Victor, V as in Victor, Mom, M-O-M, Sews, S-E-W-S. She is a wonderful YouTuber. She is the first person that I met when I started my channel. We started together, and she is really cool. You'll love her videos. You'll love her personality. Her videos are like 5 outfits in 12 minutes. And I think one time she did up to like 18. She has a lot of energy to be able to sew that quickly. And she has a great skill set. So you'll really like her channel. The other person that she's not a sewer and YouTuber. She does video reviews and she has additional commentary about the world and things of that nature. Her name is Lady Nyca. So that's Lady and then N as in Nancy, Y, C as in cat, A, Lady Nyca. She does a lot of videos and she always shares my channel page. So if you came over from Vivmom Sews or Lady Nyca, I want to say welcome and thank you to both of those ladies for sending people my way. If you found me because you got lost and you ended up down that YouTube rabbit hole, welcome. I've been down that rabbit hole plenty of times and I found great people. If you have been here before, again, thank you. I love comments. So if you want to comment on anything I'm doing, whether I did it right or wrong, please please do so. That would be great for me. It only helps me grow, only helps me become a better sewer. Because remember, my channel is about being a beginner and a beginner without a lot of time to sew, which means I'm not getting better as fast as I would like. So I love comments. I love your suggestions. I love to hear about your failing stories as well as your successful stories. So please feel free to be interactive with me as I try to be as interactive with you. Again, I want to just say thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. I am in the middle of doing Simplicity 8636, and I will not jump up right now and get the pattern because I don't have it in front of me, but I'm almost done with it. And boy, do I have some comments about it. I've seen some really, I'm going to save my comments. I'm going to save my comments until I'm done. I'm going to try it on and take a picture of it. And then I'm going to give you my comments on it. So again, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel before and most recently, and I want to thank Lady Nyca and Vivmom Sews for them recommending my channel to many people. I am Kendra, and this is I Can Sew. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.